part of something for the school and being able to like explore my options and talk to the whole school. And it's just super fun to be around everybody and talk loud, you know, and just give out all the excitement I have.
I'm here with Drumline. We're great. We're playing some cadences for the assembly, trying to hide in the crowd, you know? My name is Lincoln. I'm an MC for this academic assembly, and yeah, I'm just really excited being a part of something. Like, I never got to be in this indoor assembly before. We're always in the outdoor assembly, so being in this indoor one is really awesome. Really cool experience.